This is a simple percent of a number problem, and it says 30% of 50. The way we're going to tackle this one first is by setting up a proportion. So 30%. Percent is a special word that means part of 100. So that would look like this, my first fraction. Then I do my second fraction. And the number 50 is key. You have to ask yourself, is that the whole or is it the part? And we're looking for an actual number that's smaller. It's 30% of 50. So that gives you an idea that it is the whole and it needs to go on the bottom. So here's the number you're looking for. Okay, you cross multiply and I would have 100n equals 3 times 5 is 15. Throw in the 2 zeros. Now we got to divide by 100. So we have 1500 divided by 100. And we would get rid of the 2 zeros, giving us a real simple division problem. 15 divided by 1 equals 15. So the number that we are looking for is 15. I'm going to pause the video and show you one more way to do this. All right, so here we go. We have the same problem, and now we can turn it into an equation. 30% is 0.3. So I take my invisible decimal and move it 2 places to the left. Of means times 50. 3 times 5 is 15. So we have 150. And then we have our decimal number here, and we have one digit that is to the right of our decimal point. So that means we need to take our invisible decimal right there and move it 1 place to the left. And again, we arrive at the answer of 15. So watch this video as many times as it takes until you see how this is done, finding the percent of a number.